Ready? Begin. Hello? Louder.
My name is Simon. I recite a poem for you.
O, action mo.
The title of my poem is Free. I think that I shall never see a poem of lovely.
Look at the people in front. A tree. Oh, yung action na forgot na.
I think the earth with flowing with
Ah.
a tree that looks good.
Look at the audience. Look at the people.
It looks early as the spring.
When you say lift her leafy arms to pray, the two hands mo up. Arms di sabihin two arms already. A tree that looks.
A tree that looks good all day.
Oh, asan ang action mo doon? And lifts her leafy arms.
Out, pray.
Oh, paano yung pray? Di ba like this? Oh.
A tree that may is everywhere, a nest of robins is here. Upon the bottom snow, hustling the intimately
The other side.
the rain. Homes are made by fools like fish, but only God can make a tree.